Why, hello! No, it's not that prick from Yeovil. You're all right. Very quick video. Now, I was supposed to be going out for a ride last Sunday with Nick and Steve. I got the bike out the garage. And, oh my life, what are you doing? The minute I pulled up the road, the dashboard starts flashing, red, red, red. Stop immediately. And I went straight back around the block and took the bike home again. I was virtually 150 yards, 200 yards up the road from my house. And that fairly new back tyre that I had, the one I had a puncture in and had to re-plug, or had to plug, sorry, I got another bloody puncture. So I did the old bit with the spray to see where the bubbles were coming from, see if I could plug it again. What are you doing? And couldn't find it for ages, so I overinflated the tyre and that showed up where it was. It was right next to where I'd plugged it, so whether that had split open a bit more or it was another one. Anyway, I spun the wheel round and kept spraying. There was another one, tiny little one. So I plugged that one, and then I had to go plugging the one next to the original plug site, and it wouldn't seal. So what I did, I took the old plug out as well, and I've reamed that hole out even more, and then put a double plug in, so twice as fat. So it's the size of a butt plug in my tyre at the moment. And there we go, folks, a brand spanking new tyre on. I'm going to have a quick half an hour or so just to get a few miles on it.
I got what you want. I got what you want. Yeah, I got what you want. I got what you want.
Yes, I've got to get this tyre scrubbed in before Sunday. I'm off out Sunday with the Yeti, I think. Needless to say, there'll be a fair bit of blat. Jesus Christ, it's 30 miles an hour. Why are you doing 19? Oh my life. It's got sporty wheels on it too. Fuck my old boots. Daren't fucking glide past them down here. It's prime spot for the camera. Although you ain't gonna get done, are you, at 22 miles an hour? Oh, frightening. 24. He must be shitting himself. He's at 25. He must have been positively terrified.